Hey everyone, welcome back to River Adventures. My name is Mr. Cooney, Alexander Rivers. Thank you, old subscribers, newcomers, new subscribers. Please like, please subscribe, please help our station grow. We got some good information how to save money on your refrigerator bill. So stay tuned and have a great day, everyone. So stay tuned. Yeah, such a good boy. Yes, you are such a good boy, Mr. Cooney. Oh, baby kitty. Look at that pretty boy. Yeah, for you kitty lovers. I'm blessed every day with my little man. Look at that. He's playing right now. Yeah, such a good boy. Okay, everyone. I have a refrigerator that runs 4 kilobytes every 24 hours. So I already tested it, and the thing is, it runs 124 kilobytes a month, so that's quite a bit. So I got this device here from Amazon. You can get it, and I'll show you the clips below of what you need to do. So the up position right here, where it's up, it's off, and this is on. So what I did was leave it off for an hour, turn it on for a half an hour, and so after this, it ends up being 16 of these 30-minute timers where it's on. And so let's see here, from 124 kilobytes, let's see here, and stay tuned for future updates on this video that I should be cutting my PGE bill by my refrigerator runs 4 kilobytes within 24 hours. So you go 4 times, and one kilowatt has 1,000 watts. So times 1,000. So that is 4,000 watts within a 24-hour period, or 4 kilowatts in a 24-hour period. What you do is you divide that by 24 hours. That is 166.67 watts within an hour's time. So if you want to cut your electricity in half, so this is how much my refrigerator's running, is 160, so pretty much 167. So when I got this timer here, it turns on every half an hour, it turns off for about an hour, turns on for a half an hour. So I did that, and so that equals like 16 30 minutes. So you divide that by 2 and you get 8 hours. So pretty much my refrigerator is going to be off for 16 hours in a day, and it's going to be on for 8 hours in a day. So you get this times, within a 24-hour period, times 8. That is 1 kilobytes and 300, just going to round it up, 334 watts. So 1 kilobyte. So I'm going to try this and see if my food stays frozen and cold. And I have some more tips on what you need to do for your freezer to keep your meats cold that I learned from RV Life. And the ice packs that you need to keep in your cooler that works as a cooler RV travel car freezer, and what you can do inside your freezer to keep it to keep your meats cold and frozen. I'm gonna open up my freezer here. So one of the things I learned in RV Life is, you see these foam things that they have right here, and as you can see, my freezer's off, but it's pretty cold. So what I did was I put a whole bunch of these just spread it in through here that I learned on YouTube. So I put a whole bunch of these ice packs in here. I put my foods in here. I put some more foam behind here to keep it insulated. And then I just put this right here before I close it to keep that insulated. Because what I learned is when you keep your freezer compact, there's less air room. The less air room you have in your freezer, it's going to keep all your foods solid and cold. And with adding these ice packs throughout your freezer, it's going to work as a RV cooler, as you see in van life, or when you're traveling and going camping or backpacking, you know, in your car, and you're going somewhere and you need to keep your foods cold, and you put the ice packs in your travel cooler. This is what you do to your home freezer. So this is how you change your apartment and house into an RV freezer cooler for your regular refrigerator at home. And then also adding them, you know, adding the child safety things to keep it sealed and closed if your refrigerator's old, because you can kind of see how my refrigerator is 21 years old, and you can see how it's kind of wearing out here. And so keeping everything compact in your freezer will help you save some money on your refrigerator bill. And then as you can see with the timer, it's off right now because you can see the lights off. And so this will be running 8 hours in a 24-hour period, and with the timer, and my refrigerator will be off for 16 hours in a day and running 8 hours. So this is how I can help you guys save some money on your refrigerator bill, because all these refrigerators, they're like, I went to Best Buy yesterday, I gotta tell you. So I went to Best Buy and I see all these really beautiful, expensive $1,200, you know, or $2,000 refrigerators, you know. And so we gotta think, economize, how to change your apartments and how to change your house into RV living inside your house, keeping your electricity low. Because why should we give all our extra money to the PGE people, or you know, the General Electric people, when you can use your money for something else, like buying your kids clothes, or just buying you a new pair of shoes that you need, or you know, putting gas in your car, buying groceries that you need, so you could be able to enjoy more things that we're supposed to have here as the American dream. We the people, the American dream. We need to take our lives back. We need to live and learn how to cut our expenses down. So stay tuned. There'll be more to come on more ways how to change your apartments and your house into RV living style, electricity style. So anyway, you guys have a Tazzy-Wazzy day. I love you guys. You guys are great. If you guys are new to my station, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video. You guys rock. I love you guys. Total shabam bam. And see you soon. Don't forget to love your cats, your dogs, and your mom and dad too. All right, bye for now. Love you guys. Bye.